In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details in Stripe. This process is essential for ensuring your payouts are sent to the correct bank account. So let's go through these steps together to make sure everything is set up properly. First, you'll need to navigate to your Stripe homepage. You can do this by logging into your Stripe account through their website. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which serves as the central hub for all your Stripe activities. Next, on the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Balances and click on it. This section provides an overview of your current funds and pending payouts, making it a vital area to manage your financial activities on Stripe. Once you're in the Balances section, the next step is to click on Manage Payouts. This is where you can oversee your payout schedule and any connected bank accounts. It's a crucial area for making sure your funds are transferred securely and efficiently. After clicking Manage Payouts, you need to find and click on Manage Bank Accounts. This is the area where you can add, update, or remove bank account details associated with your Stripe account. Having the correct bank details here is crucial for receiving your payouts without any hitches. Now, you should see an option to Add Bank Account. Click on this to start entering your bank account information. This step is where the actual addition of your bank details takes place. Make sure you have all your bank information ready, as accuracy is key to ensuring your payouts are sent to the right place. In the next screen, you'll be prompted to fill in the fields with your bank account details. These typically include the account holder's name, the bank account number, and the bank's routing number. Double-check every detail you enter here. Any mistake could delay your payouts or send them to the wrong account. Once you've filled in all the required information and are confident that everything is correct, click on Add Bank Account to finalize the process. And there you have it. You've successfully added your bank details to Stripe. Keep in mind that it may take a few days for Stripe to verify your bank account, so monitor your email for any notifications from Stripe regarding the verification process. This verification ensures that all your future payouts will be processed smoothly and sent to the correct bank account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate through the process of setting up your bank information in Stripe. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Stripe's support team for further assistance.